One thing that surprises many visitors to Japan is the toilet. Public toilets are almost everywhere. You can find them at stations, parks, shopping malls, and convenience stores. So, in Japan, it is usually not hard to find a toilet. Many homes also have a special toilet called a washlet. It sprays warm water to clean you after using the toilet. For many visitors, this feels new and surprising, but for many Japanese people, it is very normal. In Japan, toilets are clean, comfortable, and a little high tech. A washlet has many buttons. At first, it may look confusing, but the basic idea is simple. It washes you with warm water. You can change the water pressure. You can also change the position of the water. Some toilets have a warm seat. Some have a dryer. Some even play a sound for privacy. You do not have to use every button, but once you try it, you may understand why Japanese people like it. Japanese toilets were very different in the past. Many people used squat toilets. Instead of sitting, you squatted over a hole in the floor. The Western-style toilets became popular. They are more comfortable, but people still used only toilet paper. Japanese companies asked a simple question. What if a toilet could wash you with warm water? Many people were surprised at first, but after trying it, they found it cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable. Japan has always valued cleanliness, so many families welcomed this new idea. Today, washlets are a normal part of everyday life in Japan. Japan's newest public toilets are much more than convenient. They are designed to be clean, comfortable, and beautiful. Some look more like small works of modern architecture than public toilets. Privacy is also taken very seriously. Many toilet booths are completely private. Some even have doors that close automatically. Many public toilets also have the latest washlets. They may have a heated seat, warm water cleaning, and privacy sounds. Even a public toilet is designed to help people feel relaxed and comfortable. In Japan, a public toilet is a place where everyone can feel safe, comfortable, and respected. If you need a toilet in Japan, look at the stations, parks, department stores, or public buildings. You will almost always find one. If you have never used a washlet, do not worry. The control panel usually has simple pictures. Some buttons wash you with warm water. Some buttons dry you. If you are not sure, just use it as a normal toilet. But if you are curious, try the warm water button. It may become a small surprise of your trip. Please keep public toilets clean after using them. This is part of Japanese manners. And after your trip, you may even miss Japanese toilets. Today's Japanese phrase is トイレはどこですか? It means where is the washroom? In Japan, people usually use the word トイレ to mean the washroom and the restroom. And どこ means where. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. トイレはどこですか? トイレはどこですか? Great! Hello everyone, I'm Hideki. If there is about Japan you'd like to know, please leave a comment. Your idea may appear in a future episode. Okay, see you next time. Bye!